All right, Rankin family, I'm excited to share with you this Westin Homes right here in Jordan Ranch. This one is in Fulshear, Texas. This is the Carter. So I know I showcased on this one the Preston as well as the Lorraine 2, which was a 1-story, but this is going to be the Carter. More square footage, more upgrades, fantastic. Right to the right, we are going to have the study. And as soon as you see, you can tell you have the tray ceilings with the crown molding and the beautiful ceiling fan, as well as the tea island in there. It's a tea desk. It's an upgrade. Some folks love it. Some folks don't really care too much about it, but it just depends on personal preference. And then that would essentially be the garage right there. But what we'll do is we'll start right here so that way you can see the formal dining room. This will have the crown molding on the top. If you notice, the crown molding is actually painted. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can right there. So that's one of the first we've seen that. But as soon as you see the glass blowout lighting fixtures overlooking the dining room table, I think it looks fantastic. And then what we'll do is we'll go down this hallway right here so you can see how we're looking as far as the bedrooms are concerned. This will be your powder bath right here. Definitely unique. You have your beautiful gray cabinetry with your brass handles. And this will be your utility room. You got your nice washer and dryer built in countertops right there, so that way you can fold clothes and all that good stuff. But before we go to the primary, I'll show you the first bedroom right here. So you have plenty of space. You have that nice elegant carpet in here. As you can tell, you have plenty of room for all of the furniture. This definitely would be perfect for a guest room just because it's sectioned off all the way over here down the hall. And this will have its own bathroom attached to it as well. You have your brass fixtures as well. And this one has a nice sized closet. Not too much, but not too little. You got your tile in here, tile backsplash. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely elegant as far as the backsplash is concerned. Let me know in the comments below what you folks think about it. I even love the lighting fixture right there. I think it definitely adds a nice touch. And then we'll head this way so that way you can see the common areas as far as the great room is concerned. Wow. Look how gorgeous the great room is. You got your high ceilings, the LED ceiling fan in here. You got your sky windows up there. You have your electric fireplace. You got your built-in shelving over there for a lot of the decorations that you may have with the cabinetry as well. And I know I'm getting mixed comments as far as the brass handles. Let me know what you folks think about that. I personally like it. But you know, of course you might say I'm biased or what have you, just depending on some of the homes that we showcase. So let me know what you think. But this will be your beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Fantastic. So it's open to the great room. You got your wooden range hood. You got your pot filler. Let me put that back a little bit so that way. There you go. Looks a little bit better right there. Not too extended out, but you got your great cabinetry, brass handles again, pot filler. You got your 6-burner built-in stovetop right here as well. Same thing, built-in microwave, built-in stainless steel oven. And you got plenty of space for a double door stainless steel refrigerator. And then you have a nice size walk-in pantry as well. So far so good, looking pretty great. You got your breakfast area over there as well. And then what we'll do is we'll head to the primary bedroom. I won't keep you waiting too long. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, fantastic. You got your double tray ceilings on the top with crown molding. You got your bay windows right here, 4 of those. Plenty of room. You got your lighting fixtures over your nightstands right there. king size bed with the 2 nightstands, and you still have a decent amount of room. I don't know if I would have put that chair over there just because it looks kind of tight over there, but let me know what you folks think. I mean, to each his own. I'm not an interior designer, but that's just my personal take. All right. And then looking in your primary bathroom, your ensuite, you got your nice standalone soaking tub right there. You got your vanity area over here, the his and her sink, got your tile flooring, a lot of the brass trim in here as well. Got your nice size walk-in shower with the tile backsplash again. So definitely I like it. It has its own little theme going on in here. Not too bad, not too shabby. And then this will be your closet right here. You got your window right there. Adding in plenty of natural light that a lot of folks love. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I'm absolutely ecstatic to have you. And if you are brand new to the channel, this is your first time visiting, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that boat now or in the future, you can reach out to the information below and consider hitting that subscribe button, since I'm bringing tours like this every single week for you. So now we'll go up the curved staircase. You have your beautiful rotunda ceiling with the brass chandelier again. And you got carpet upstairs. And then we'll head straight there so that way you can see the game room. You got your tray ceilings on top with the crown molding again. Always love when they have the pool table in here. I think it just adds a nice little touch. And then you have your media room. Then you got your double sliding doors right there. Tray ceilings again in there. And look what we got to the right. Got a little seating area right here. Got a little coffee bar area. You can put some popcorn. Just kind of have the family there while everybody else is watching a movie. Definitely unique. That's one of the first that we've toured that had that little area. So I think it added a nice touch. Let's go into this bedroom right here. Wow. Got plenty of space in here. You got the mirror right there if you wanted to utilize this as a gym, but you definitely have plenty of room. It has its own closet. So most folks would probably not make this a gym, is what I'm assuming. Most folks would just use this as a bedroom, but you know, just depending on what needs you have. Shower tub combo. You have that brick-like backsplash right there. Definitely unique. And look at this lighting fixture right here. Almost a throwback. And this bathroom, essentially, if you have that door closed right there, you can access for the media room and the game room. That way folks can have access right there. And then this will be next bedroom. You got your little sunroom area over there. LED ceiling fan on top. This is pretty cute right here. Wow. If my daughter seen this, she would be ecstatic. We'd probably have to move in today. She would love that. All right. And then you got your lighting fixture right there. This will be a Jack and Jill. Attached to this one, you got your tile flooring right there. Shower tub combo again. Brick-like backsplash in this one as well. So the other one, you had that white brick backsplash. This one, you have the colored one. Definitely nice. Fantastic. And this will be the final bedroom right here. So you got the LED ceiling fans again in here. Got plenty of space. Plenty of room. And you got your walk-in closet. So definitely fantastic. Even right here, you could put that desk how you have. Some folks might just put a decoration right there, just depending on your personal preference. But can you imagine walking downstairs, seeing all the family right here gathered, depending if you like your family, depending if you don't, it may or may not be a good thing. But if you can imagine walking down your steps and having everyone that you love down here enjoying themselves. And then let's take a look at the backyard. And this will be the extended covered backyard patio. You got your nice upgraded ceiling fan on top. You got plenty of space. You have that tile-like flooring, very durable. Look at that. Fantastic. Yeah. So I think, to me, I'd probably give that an 8 or a 9. Let me know in the comments what you think. And that, folks, is Westin Homes. All right, Rankin family, I hope you absolutely enjoyed this Westin Homes. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below just for you. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.